beef chuck short ribs, and they've been cut down. Alright, doing something different today. Got beef chuck short ribs. They're really short. All the silver skin's pretty much been removed. Here's the rib. A little bit of oil. Kinda wish I had some gloves. Make this a little less messy. I'm going to end up doing that to all of these, but to start with, pull everything over, a little bit of Memphis barbecue, Dollar Tree, very, very cheap. And I always like a little bit of sriracha black pepper, just a tiny bit, don't need a lot. That's your first. And a little bit of this guy. And finally, wood fire here. This will be the coat, or the bark. Same the other side. Basically all parts of the rib here. Sriracha that sucker. A bit more of this. That Memphis style barbecue. And then cover it. This. And we are going everywhere with that, aren't we? Alright, perfect. That's what we want. Pretty good. Now we're going to leave them in there have a container. I'm putting them in. We're just going to let them sweat. That's what they need to do. Kind of allows the spices to kind of get inside. And last one for this. That worked out pretty well. Again, I want to make sure we coat these. Talk about a liberal coat. I want a lot. I want to make sure this gives me a really good crust. And it will. Memphis. I know it says Memphis style. If you smell it, it almost smells like salt with a little bit of barbecue, which actually is really good. Gives you that celery kind of smell to it. I don't know why, but I like that. Tow truck Rob cooking again. Is that a good idea? I don't know. A lot of fun in the kitchen, really. I really do enjoy playing in the kitchen. Now, I've heard and seen all sorts of ideas on how long to actually, I've heard all different schools of thought as far as how long to let them sweat. Me, I kind of like to let them sweat as long as possible. So they're just gonna sit in here in this container for probably 2 hours. And then we'll start the grill and put these suckers on. That's a lot of sweat time, I know, but it will actually come out really, really well. You will see, and you will like it. Now I realize that sweat times kind of vary. For beef, I want it to sweat a little longer. It seems like the longer you let it sweat, the better the flavor, the larger the actual smoke ring you will get. So we're gonna try that. We'll see. Let's see. Just kind of testing that. Test that theory, right? All right, welcome back. Now these short ribs, chuck short ribs, have been sweating in the refrigerator for approximately 3 hours. The grill's almost ready to start. I'll be starting that here just a second. What I want to do is take some beef broth and put it in my sprayer. Now this is old school Tupperware. I got that from my mom about 1,000 years ago. Of course I do. Church key on a old school can opener. Old school can opener. Alright. Into the can recycling. We are good. Now we spritz this. They're going to be on for the next 3 hours. And we are going to spritz them every hour. Perfect. Alright, we'll come back. Alright, welcome back. They've been sitting out on the counter for long enough. They're almost room temperature. That's kind of where you want them. I left the cover on. I don't want anything on them. No kind of weird anything. So we're gonna take these and go put them on the grill right now. Hold tight. I'll be... Alright, one more time. Don't forget to spritz them once an hour, every hour, for the next... Since they're small enough, I'm gonna go 225 for about 3 hours. And then we check the temperature. Should be around 160, 155, 160. We'll pull them out, wrap them up, and then put them back on the grill at 275, 300 for about 15-20 minutes. And then we pull them off, let them rest for 10 minutes, and then it will be amazing.